What's up, guys? How everybody doing in this beautiful evening with this beautiful rainy sound? I don't know if you can hear it.
Yeah, guys, this is
Seattle.
what day today? Wednesday.
Wednesday.
But we always have a vlog. We start in every Monday.
We try
because we have a vacation, guys. Short vacation for relaxing because we work hard, work a lot. My friend Italia, he left to big vacation. I'm still there with Alex, but we working, close the shop before holidays. Yeah, today is Wednesday. All day we do some service stuff. Also, we slowly start work on this baby. But this is different vlog. This is different. But I would like to explain a little bit what we do. This is now it's an all-6 piston. Cleaning. We clean that. We clean that piston because that piston, rod, everything go into machine shop. Crankshaft is already there. Crankshaft is already there because balancing 12-cylinder engine, it's crazy. It's crazy.
And not many people wanted to do it.
Yeah. But this is different things, different vlog, and this is different video. Maserati.
Beautiful car.
Beautiful car, one owner car. Of course, it's issue. It's servicing, oil leaks from valve cover gasket. Nothing major, just a minor maintenance. I would like to say maintenance. We pre-order all stuff, and supposed to be next couple of days we will finish that car. F12 came for. We diagnosed that F12 last time. They have a problem with the purge solenoid, some incorrect flow. We would like to order a new one, replace it, and give the time to that car because that car is sitting almost maybe something wrong, but this exactly problem with the purge solenoid. These guys this is like second time we do it, swap and removing exhaust system. Second
or third?
Now we installed everything back to stock. Maybe that car is changed the owner, we don't know. But this is beautiful car. Is really glad to work on that. It's really rare and unique because all options. This is full carbon. Oh, I don't have a key. Can you show that? I think this window is open, and this is a special seat inside. Oh boy, it's locked. It's a special seat inside. It's really rare option, but I think I didn't see many of them. It's just a regular 458.
Oops.
Wrong key.
Wrong key. There we go.
Here we go. Look at this. I am not a supercar blondie. It's like, look at this. Oh, who is this? Oh no. But that seat is really cool. It's a carbon seat. And this is came from factory. Maybe this is pre-order.
Yeah, it could be a special order or something.
Yeah. Look at these guys. Can you imagine? It's beautiful. They match for me. Okay, supercar blondie, you are cool. But you always look at this headlight. No. We are dirty hand guys. Good morning and hello everybody. Last week we worked on this Maserati Ghibli 2014. It's low miles car, and that Ghibli has a problem with the turbocharger. The turbocharger, it's been the housing of the turbocharger is loose. It's really loose, and I showed last time from the factory defect, and now we ordered spark plug set, and we really want to replace because when the car is shaking, misfire, underboost stuff, and we decided to replace those spark plugs. Today we received the spark plugs. It's NGK. This is NGK spark plugs. It's cold, it's good, and it's not that difficult to replace that spark plugs. Then we would like to reset all trouble code, but it's not there. But anyway, we wanna make sure everything fine and safe and return that car to customer. Ilya left to machine shop because they asked they balanced crankshaft, and we cleaned yesterday all piston, connecting rod, clutch, and this is required for balancing because not many machine shop can do the 12-cylinder crankshaft balance. I hope no any crazy damage and no any unbalancing stuff on that crankshaft. Okay, back to work to replace that spark plugs.
How's everybody doing this beautiful day? We're still working hard, or hardly working. Are we working? I don't know if we're working.
Who's working? I'm working.
Oh, you're working.
What about you?
I'm just filming.
Yeah. 1 year ago, I think little bit over than year ago.
Maybe more.
The guy, this owner of this Maserati, this is F1 dual select, whatever they call. This is with an automatic, semi-automatic gearbox. They come to you. Somebody did the clutch replacement for him, and they don't have official tools. And of course, the car is like they can fire up, but it's like not catch the clutch and like.
I don't think it moved.
It's not. No, I think it's fire up, but doesn't matter. And he came to us and asked about the help for do all programming stuff, adaptation, everything, and he asked about the pump replacement. It's really important for any F1. Like I don't know. Let's talk like a single clutch. It's like people say dual clutch or single clutch from supercars. And it's have a high pressure pump. They pump around something 50-60 bar, and of course that pump is working all the time because when it's drop pressure they pump in. When you open the door, it's pumping for keep the pressure inside the pressure reservoir, because that pump is supply clutch, all shifting unit, this is valve body and actuator. Okay, and it's really important to have a lot of pressure.
Does it make sound when you turn it on?
Yeah, of course. Okay. This is like or your turn on, or you just touch the door handle.
That's right.
And the pump start pumping to like because
like a fuel pump.
Yeah, it's like a fuel pump. Okay. It's really important unit. It's cost arm and leg for supercar. I don't know, 1,000, 2,000, depend what model is it, Ferrari, Maserati, or Lamborghini. You know, Lamborghini, I probably say it's a way cheaper. That pump is really cheap, like 300, 400 bucks. We not replaced not long time ago on one Gallardo. That e-gear pump from Aventador is cost like, you remember guys, it's like maybe 5-10 vlogs ago we replaced on Aventador. It's cost crazy money. Please, it's like something 5,000 crazy. Anyway, that pump is expensive too. And the guy asked us to replace that pump, and he bought a cheap aftermarket eBay quality pump. But almost a year, but we don't know how many miles. I need to check the number. That pump is burned. It's burned. You see that fluid is like it's not like electricity, maybe clear coat. I don't know, from the starter, whatever. It's a came from the motor. That fluid is came from the motor, and that pump it's burned because they took car back to us and say, hey guys, blah blah blah, something wrong. Of course wrong, of course. And now need to replace the pump. Again. I don't know what he decide, what more for a year aftermarket cheap one or back to original, no idea. But this is how it looks. Again, aftermarket. You lose your time, you lose your money, you lose money on towing.
You gotta pay double for installation.
And still need to buy another pump. What are you doing?
Did a drain flush, replaced one filter, two filter. There's two of them in this one. The DCT, or what do you call it? Dual clutch transmission, yeah. Filter.
What car is it?
RS5.
RS5.
14?
14, 15. 14, 15. Yeah, with the
With only
brakes,
7K.
upgrades, a lot of goodies here. But this is
Audi
like
suspension.
our good customer. We take care about her Audi, right?
Yeah, buddy.
But another challenge, guys. I think everybody remember this car. Time to swap everything back. The customer decide to sell this car. Remember? Race headers, cutlass downpipe, race muffler, and now it's time to install everything back. After 4 or 5 months, when we did this car, do you remember?
6 or 7.
6 or 7 months ago. Yeah, half a year, almost half. Yes, like half a year. And now it's time. he on the side. It's the second time we swap and install. Install again, remove. This is his choice. Okay, slowly start to do this. And we have one more Mercedes. We tuned that car. They have a problem with the radiator. It's time to replace radiator. And back to this lady.